Are you looking to start building business credit, thinking about skipping net 30s or net 60s? Do you want to go straight to applying for business credit cards? If so, then you've clicked on the right video. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. But for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Ismael Sandiford and you are now watching Just Money, where we talk about financial related topics such as personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So if that's something you are into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Reward Secured Business Credit Card. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now there's plenty of ways that you can start building business credit. You can choose to begin building business credit by getting net 30 accounts with vendors like Uline, Granger, or Quill.com. But you can also start by getting this secured credit card like I did. I do suggest that you guys apply for this card in person so that way the banker could help you with any questions that you may have. Ask the banker to let you see the screen on the monitor so that way you can see what information that they are using. And also to double check that they aren't making any spelling errors. One of the most common reasons why people get denied is because of spelling errors on the application. And also you want to take pictures of the screen so that way you can see and use that information when applying for other credit cards. Like for example, let's say you get approved with the information that the banker used. Then you'll want to use that same info when applying for another credit card. You don't want to use different income information when applying for other credit cards. You want the information to stay consistent when applying for any type of credit card. But this credit card is an easy approval since it's a secured credit card. Now they do pull from your personal credit, but it doesn't report to your personal credit, only to your business credit. Although you will get a hard inquiry on your personal credit. These guys pull from your personal TransUnion. So these guys might ask you for two things. You'll need a copy of your EIN or your federal tax ID and a copy of your articles of organization, which is a one-page document. If you don't have them, then you can give them the numbers. So just make sure you at least have that. And they'll also check to see if your entity is in good standing with the state before applying. Okay, now let's go to the website and see what information that they'll actually need on the application. Okay, so go to the Bank of America website and it's automatically going to be at personal, so change that to small business. Once you are there, click credit cards and go down to build or strengthen business credit cards. Okay, and then you will see the card that we are talking about, the business secured credit card. Alright, so go down and select apply now. Once you select the apply now, then we can get started on the application. First, it's going to start off with the business name. So whatever your business name, just put it on there. And then business name on card. How do you want your name of your business to appear on the card? Next, does your business have a doing business as DBA name? So it's pretty much asking, let's say for example, your business is called My Cleaning Service. If you want to put My Cleaning Service LLC, then you can. That's doing business as, or you could just leave it simply as My Cleaning Service without the LLC. Next, they're going to ask for your business address. So whatever your business address is, just type it in. They're going to ask for the city, state, zip code, country it's in, and your business's phone number. So just make sure to type all that in. If the business mailing address is different than the physical address, then go ahead and type that in. If it is not, then you can go ahead and disregard that. Okay, moving on next to business, legal, and financial information. They're going to want your federal tax ID number, which is pretty much your EIN number. So if you guys didn't know, that's what that is. Then they want country information, which is United States. What you guys are going to put that are from the United States. They're also going to want the same thing for states, so put whatever state that you are in. Business structure, most of you guys will be choosing LLC. And once you choose that, define whether it's S Corp, C Corp, partnership, or single member, so proprietorship. Then they're going to ask, is your business publicly traded? Meaning, can people buy stocks from your business? If yes, click yes. And if no, click no. Then they're going to ask for country of operation. So whatever country you are operating in, just choose. Most of you guys will be United States anyways. Then they're going to ask for types of industry. What industry are you in? Construction, mining, public administration, retail trade, pick whatever fits your case scenario. Then they're going to ask for the gross annual sales. So whatever you made last year, put that in. And you don't have to put what you made last year. If you're a new business, then go ahead and just put what you think you're going to make. Then they're going to ask for the year established. So pretty much, when did you start your business? And they want to know what month did you start your business as well. If we go down, is this business a non-operating entity? If yes, click yes. If no, click no. Then they're going to ask plenty of other yes or no questions, so I'm not going to go through all of them. Just if it resides with you, yes or no. pick one. Moving on to personal information, they're going to ask, are you an owner or authorized officer who can borrow on behalf of this business? So pretty much if you're going to be doing stuff on this business, or if you're authorized to do so, then fill this out with your name, last name, what is your job title at the business, so what are you doing over there, your name to appear on card, how do you want your name to appear on the business card that you're going to receive, is the residential address the same as the business address? If yes, click yes. Then you're going to want to know, is the mailing address different than the residence address? If it is, then go ahead and just put the address preferred. If not, then you can go ahead and just leave that. Then they're going to want your primary phone number and your email address. Are you a U.S. citizen? If you are, put in your social security number, all that. Then they're going to want your country of residence, whatever country you're residing in. Just go ahead and put that, your date of birth. Don't forget to fill that in. Then they're going to want your total household income. So pretty much everybody that lives with you in that house, you're going to have to put their income in. Then they're going to want the source of income, the occupation. So we'll click this, whether it's an engineer, executive, laborer, or we can go ahead and click view more. And once we click that, we have artist, assistant, barber. You know, there's a lot of things on here that you choose from, dancer. So whatever best fits you, just go ahead and click on whatever you need to. Then they're going to want to know the housing status. Do you rent or do you own? They're also going to want to know the monthly housing payment. So what is your rent every month, or what is your mortgage? Then after that, they're going to want to know percentage of ownership. Do you own 100% of the company, or do you own 50% of the company, or do you own 25% of the company? And who is the controlling manager? Once you go ahead and click other, type in the controlling manager's information, whether it's you or someone else, put that in. Also, if they're a U.S. citizen, all that. Then opening deposit. How do you want to deposit your money? Through a checking account? Do you have a banking checking account with Bank of America or your own? You know, whatever you need to do, they got it right there. So whether it's yours or their personal banking account, you can use whichever one. So yeah, just put your information on there. Then we're going to come down to terms and conditions. As you can see, it's 25.99% on this credit card. And, you know, just read to everything. You can continue and finish the application, or if you are not done yet, you can actually save the application. If you don't got time to do it right now, then you can save it for like how you do the application. But this card is an easy approval since it is a secured credit card. They do pull from your personal credit, but it doesn't report to your personal, only to your business credit. And again, you will get a hard inquiry on your personal credit. They just need to base your approval off your personal credit since you don't have any business credit yet. For most business credit cards, you need a minimum of a 680 FICO score. But don't worry, because with this card, you can apply with even bad personal credit, even with a 580 FICO score, and still get approved. Now, the minimum required deposit is $1,000, and the maximum you can deposit is up to $10,000. So just imagine, if you have a 10K deposit, then you'll have a 10,000 credit limit card reporting to your business credit just right off the bat. But if you don't have 10K, then you could just deposit 1,000, and that's totally fine. If you want to deposit more later to increase it down the road, then that's totally fine. You can do that too. So let's just say, for example, that you have 1K now that you can use, but you know you'll have another 1K in a month. Well, you can use the deposit now and increase the 1K later if you want to have a higher limit to start. That way you can start sooner rather than later when you have all the money. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, then just comment down below so that way we can chit chat if you guys need more information. And by the way, this credit card does graduate to unsecured status. And when it does graduate, then you'll get your deposit back. So it's kind of like a forced savings account in a way. What they do is they periodically check your account to see if you are using your card responsibly. And after a few months of having and using the card responsibly, you'll get your deposit back. Now, another good thing is you don't need to be banking with them in order to get approved for this card. And you also don't need a DUNS number to apply, but you should most definitely still get a DUNS number though. If you guys don't know what a DUNS number is, then I made a whole video explaining on what it is. I'll link it down in the description below for you guys to watch. But another good thing about this card is they don't need proof of income. So if you're a new business with no income, then you can simply estimate your future income on the application. Or you can use your personal income and then add your household income. So for example, if you're married, then you can also add the income of your spouse without any proof. And then after filling out the application, you'll have to wait about a day or so to see if you got approved. And once you get approved, you'll get a text message on your cell phone saying, congratulations. you have been approved. And if you're already banking with these guys, then you'll see the information on your banking app. Now, if you don't bank with them, then you'll need to download the app. Or you can also manage your account online. And I almost forgot, but when applying, you can add authorized users at the same time you are applying. All you will need is their name and their social security number. If you're wondering what business bureau that this business credit card reports to, well, once approved, this card reports to Small Business Financial Exchange. SBFE is utilized by other bureaus such as Dun & Bradstreet, the Equifax Small Business, and Experian Business. What these bureaus do is they pull your information from SBFE to check your credit when needed. Now let me go over some of these benefits that this card has to offer. You get free access to your credit score from Dun & Bradstreet. You earn unlimited 1.5 cash back on all purchases. There are no annual fees. APR is 25.99% variable. And the card is a contactless card, and it also has the chip reader. The card itself does not say secured on it. The card looks just like the unsecured credit card. You also get online and mobile access and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. You get travel and emergency services, 100K in travel accident insurance, auto rental insurance, emergency travel ticket replacement, lost luggage assistance, and legal and medical referrals when you are away from home. Okay, so that was a lot of information, so let me just give you guys a quick recap. No DUNS number needed, pulls from your personal TransUnion, no prior bank account with BOA needed, no income proof needed, hard pull on your personal credit, reports to Small Business Financial Exchange, the minimum deposit amount must be $8,000, the maximum would be $10,000, and there are no annual fees, and this credit card does graduate from secured to unsecured status. New businesses are welcome to apply. Minimum FICO score does depend, but 580 will work. And maxed out personal credit cards, you guys are okay to apply. It is a secured credit card, so they are more lenient on your personal. And also collections on your personal is okay. And you can increase your deposit to increase your limit to 10K. You also get unlimited 1.5% cash back rewards, unlimited or uncapped, and you'll get a text message confirmation once approved. That's it. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you guys made it to the end of the video, then I truly appreciate you guys. We were at 3,304 subscribers at the time of this recording, so I do appreciate all who watch. I do post every Sunday and Wednesday, 7 a.m. Pacific time, so be there. And if you guys are trying to build business credit or regular credit even per se, then I would consider subscribing. I teach you how to get high limits on your credit cards. I teach you more about business credit, and I also teach about some real estate stuff as well, or other financial related topics. So if that's something you're into, learning more financial literacy, then I would consider subscribing. I have other videos on my channel talking about personal credit cards such as Navy Federal, Amex, Apple, etc. So if that's something you're into, then consider subscribing. And also, for those that don't know, I am also a real estate agent here in Southern California. So if you're looking to buy or sell or have any questions in regards to real estate, then I would be happy to help you out. All my information will be in the description below. And also, for those that don't know, depending on the time you're watching this video, I will be a licensed mortgage loan originator, so I can help with loan funding as well. My name is Ismael Sandiford, and I will see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.